Now, what's an investigation? So we hear about these types of investigations, but what does it mean? So let's start from the beginning. So let's say they find out that a disgruntled neighbor, or maybe there is actually a misunderstanding. Let's say, for example, the child goes to school with a mark or a bruise, and DYFYS gets involved. From the perspective of the parent or the person who has custody of the child, what's that experience like?
Well, it can be very devastating for a parent.
Mm-hmm.
It certainly is difficult under the best of circumstances. If the parent has not done anything, if it's somebody that's making the phone call without a basis for it, the parent then has to deal with the division becoming involved and trying to find out whether the child or children are okay. Mm-hmm. On the other hand, even if the allegations that are made are accurate, then the parent has to deal with the division or DYFYS to do whatever is necessary to make that child safe. That's why it's really important that the moment that a parent hears from the division, that they contact our office and so that we can walk them through, so that we can give them direction, so that we can help them. Because having seen these cases from all angles, and I'm not the only attorney on the firm that does this, you know that. Mm-hmm. I mean, since I am a retired judge, I cannot appear in court, I can't sign documents, I work behind the scenes with the attorneys that do these cases. But we certainly have Alfonso, and we have Eric Foley. And Eric Foley has many years of experience, both as a DAG and as an attorney representing the parents. And Al has had, I have known Al since we were both attorneys way back when he first started practicing. So he has many years of experience in this. So it's important that parents contact us so that we can give them some guidance in terms of how to work through the system, so that we can shortcut and get DYFYS out of their lives if there's no need for it. If there is the type of case where there's a need for services, to make sure that they get the services quickly, because the clock starts ticking. If the division removes children from the care of parents, there is a clock that ticks, and after a year, a permanent plan has to be made. So you need people that know the system to make the system work for them.